we're going to work on the bridge today because some goons and thuggies decided to go out and destroy it. So we got fresh lumber, we've got fresh labor, and we've got a fresh attitude. We've always had a good attitude, but you know, let's go fix the bridge. Come on, let's take a hike.
Right. I didn't count how many boards. Yeah. Almost there.
It won't break.
Oh, here we are. How many are about off?
Oh, we're gonna have to get those old screws out too.
6 or 7?
Is that why you brought the hammer?
There's 14 in all we counted that need replacing.
Oh.
Look how the vandals, they took the stairs right here, they're missing.
And was this last
And
year
they're just over there, right?
that we fixed it, or was it?
A year ago.
Wait, how are we supposed to
Wasn't it?
fix the stairs?
Or is
That's
it?
like crappy.
It might have been 2019.
No, well, oh.
I wanna
we thought
say,
it was
I could be
all in
wrong.
one piece.
Well, it is, but you still have to. That piece at the bottom's
They
broken.
broke it again.
Look, the stairs are over there. They put them across the river.
Wow.
Oh man, yeah. See that wood there?
Oh,
That's completely rotted away.
okay.
Don't die. Yeah, that helps a lot.
Get this. Have to get this out with a hammer. Okay, I think everything's done on this side.
There's 2 over here. So you're getting those 2?
Oh, yeah. And you can even throw this stop or whatever. Alright, pretty big. One smaller than that, this one. Feels like my foot just got wet.
Time for
Great.
a new boot.
Must be.
Like a load of wood.
I think it was finished the last time we were here because I stepped to that nail.
Yeah.
I'm convinced it's the same boot.
Mm-hmm.
So these are some nice, shiny,
They
newer
kind
ones.
of look the same, but I guess they're black. They're
No, they're
different
bigger.
color.
They're bigger and they're a different design.
Yeah, they have like little lines and circles and fancy things.
Yep. Let's test them out.
Well,
I don't feel any water.
that's good.
Yep.
Break.
Yeah.
Just pretend
Okay,
that
I got
you're
it.
in with the other one.
I got it, Jessica.
Failure.
Feet.
Yeah, I think they
Yes.
leak.
My feet leak.
I think it's your feet.
That's totally what it is.
Is it the same boot?
No, this is the right one, but this is a different set of boots. I'm just gonna stand on this rock and stand like this.
Oh, do you want me to do this side?
He has another leaky boot, apparently.
Yeah, I can do further over there, but if
Those
you
are
want,
done.
Those are done. This is
Oh.
the last one.
It's definitely your feet, for sure. Alright.
Stage 1, all accomplished.
Just like that.
Stage 2.
stage 2's
Stairs.
beginning right here.
Stage 2.
That was probably all.
There's only 2 stages.
Nice. Alright, if I smack it hard enough, I can make it sink in there.
Do
What
it.
happens to the end I just had?
Give it to Rick.
Yeah, it's flush now.
It's good. That's better.
Just helping us out.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Jessica, get ready to screw it up. Wait, how's she gonna do this?
No. Oh no. Get under there. We're supposed to put her under there first.
Oh dear. Wait, how's this?
Guess this
Wait.
plan didn't
Wait,
work
Jessica,
so
you
well.
can reach right here.
Oh.
Da-da-da-da.
In fact,
Easy.
Rick could. You could
You
hand
might
him.
need an extension though.
Oh, they have. Up. Who's this one?
This one's supreme.
Yeah.
She's done.
Did it.
Done.
You have those 2. I wish Becca had her boots.
It's time for a bridge integrity test. Let testing commence.
Hey.
Success?
Yep, it's very sturdy.
We have to make sure Jessica makes it across.
She's the heaviest of all of us, so I guess it'll hold.
It looks like the bridge has passed. See ya. Bye.